With the pump and dump happening in front of our eyes, XRP is set to reach $350. But how is this possible? Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Welcome to Crypto Live! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. XRP holders will be thrilled to hear this news. XRP is up by more than 20% in the last 24 hours. It's up by over 40% for the second week in a row. Furthermore, it appears that there is some positive news to come from the lawsuit, which is why XRP is having this phenomenal pump. Basically, they are saying that we have reached the end of the stage 1 of the lawsuit and things will now begin to move forward. And it is no longer new information to them because it has been repeated for several years. Moreover, people keep saying that they will do something, but nothing happens. That is why, be careful with the whole euphoria and hopium thing. This is a speculative asset, meaning it has no real use and can't be eaten or lived in. This means that it's a greater fool theory in a sense that its value is determined by who's willing to pay for it. Thus, you need to be very discerning with speculative assets. As you can see, they are all driven by news. Moreover, there are a lot of swing traders and day traders who will be very satisfied with what is happening as XRP has reached a milestone. With this, if you've been accumulating XRP over the last few months, you'll be able to exit your positions and enjoy some of your gains. In addition to this, Attorney John Deaton, representing 64,000 XRP holders via amicus curiae status in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, has continued to provide online details of the SEC's thinking about the case. His focus is on the question of whether XRP itself is a security per se, because he is troubled as to why the SEC would not stipulate that XRP itself, including secondary market XRP, is not a security. Additionally, a judge has just ordered the public disclosure of exhibits that will likely be used against Ripple, including a Brad Garlinghouse email as well as a Chris Larsen email exchange that asks about price dynamics with an XRP holder, and the contents of both documents have been analyzed by attorney Jeremy Hogan. So, why the SEC didn't get rid of amicus counsel? Further, Deaton said, after reading these emails and anticipating what the 2012 legal memos likely state, I may finally understand why the SEC won't stipulate the token itself isn't security, a stipulation which would rid the SEC of amicus counsel along with his 64k XRP holders. When I filed the motion to intervene or in the alternative be granted amicus status, Ripple informed the court that if the SEC agreed, XRP wasn't a security per se, XRP holders lacked standing to participate. If, however, the SEC intended to argue XRP itself is a security, Ripple argued XRP holders should be allowed to participate in the case. The SEC not only refused to stipulate XRP itself isn't security but argued all XRP are illegal securities. I've always questioned why. The unsealed emails and legal memos are barely relevant. Illegal security offering analysis focuses on the promises or inducements made by the promoter to investors, leading those investors to anticipate profits from the efforts of the promoter. Moreover, it is said that to show any correlation between XRP's price and Ripple in partnerships will be near impossible. In addition to this, XRP must also have been sold in the USA by Garlinghouse and Larsen. Furthermore, SEC's case may be so weak and desperate that they are convinced that proving that XRP is a security would be the only way to win. According to Deaton, the SEC is in essence asserting a but-for theory in SEC versus Ripple. This is an expansive theory, which Judge Torres has already acknowledged. In certain circumstances, the SEC maintains that Ripple created a secondary market for XRP. Therefore, all XRP, including XRP traded in the secondary market, constitute Ripple investment contracts. In other words, without Ripple's secondary market, there wouldn't be a secondary market for XRP. Moreover, XRP was likely sold within SEC jurisdiction based on the two emails we mentioned, and assuming these are representative of the SEC's evidence against Ripple, it may be difficult for the plaintiff to prove this. In that case, the SEC is left with no other choice than to adopt a but-for theory. Therefore, the SEC must demonstrate that Ripple made promises or inducements that increased #XRP holders' expectations of profits based on Ripple, its executives, or affiliates' efforts. Further, if it matters what the truth is, even the SEC will not succeed in meeting that standard. Meanwhile, Nick Burafaro, Director of Digital Assets at Linkto, says the private investment platform is selling out of Ripple shares. Since XRP lawsuit developments may give Ripple the upper hand against the SEC, Ripple shares have been in demand. In recent weeks, demand for Ripple Labs Incorporated stock has been noteworthy high. In another sign of optimism, Ripple has also bought back its shares after securing $200 million in a Series C funding round led by Tetragon, and also with SBI Holdings and Route 66 Ventures participating. Moreover, Ripple's fundraising of late 2019 valued the company at $10 billion, but subsequently, the company bought the shares back at a $15 billion valuation, making a 50% profit. Additionally, the move allowed Ripple to reclaim equity from Tetragon, which saved Ripple for $175 million after the SEC filed the infamous lawsuit. Moreover, Deaton noted that if the SEC were successful with its novel but-for test masquerading as the Howey test, then the crypto would be in danger, since the same argument can be applied to Vitalik Buterin, Joseph Lubin, Satoshi Nakamoto, and so on. So, where do we go from here? Ripple, XRP, and the future of cryptocurrencies will be revealed in the schedule in SEC versus Ripple, and several important developments are about to take place regarding these topics. To publicly release Ripple's memos, the deadline is February 17th of 2022. In addition, the SEC will also file its motion for partial reconsideration of the DPP ruling of Judge Sarah Netburn on the same day, which will not be fully briefed until February 25, 2022, and the deadline for Ripple to respond to that motion is 1 week. Besides that, Ripple also wants a copy of the notes from the meeting between Brad Garlinghouse and the former SEC Commissioner Elad Roisman. Despite claiming that it does not know of its existence, the agency claims it is protected by the DPP, and according to Jeremy Hogan, the partner at Hogan & Hogan PA, it is a Hail Mary. And what can we expect now? As for Ripple's memos, they failed to prove that its executives sold and marketed XRP as an investment contract under the jurisdiction of the SEC, which is included in Articles 1 and 2. Concerning deliberative process privilege, the plaintiff is expected to drag out the case as long as possible, but the court will probably side with Ripple on that point. Also, Ripple has some concern that the SEC might be able to delay the production for months, but that when it eventually happens, the company will find enough evidence to end the lawsuit quickly. For this matter, please refer to Articles 3 and 4. And as part of a recent move, Ripple sent the Estabrook notes to Brad Garlinghouse regarding their meeting with former SEC Commissioner Roisman. As Roisman is known to have criticized the SEC's enforcement practices in the blockchain space, the notes, which are unlikely to be protected by DPP, may contribute to the fair notice argument, which is in Article 5. Then, Ripple has responded to the SEC's argument that fair notice is alive and well, stating that the 75 cryptocurrency enforcement actions support its argument rather than the SEC's. Furthermore, Ripple's XRP rallied by 7.11% to end the day at $0.8136 as the second weekend of February turned out particularly bullish. And after falling from a current year high of $0.9154 on the second Wednesday, XRP broke out on the last day of a 3-day losing streak. The crypto market was weighed down by the NASDAQ 100 and jitters over a possible Russian invasion of Ukraine. SEC versus Ripple news updates have continued to deliver XRP with much needed support. As of second Wednesday as well, XRP had been in the black in the SEC versus Ripple case. Further, Ripple's motions were granted by case Judge Annalisa Torres, which caused the crypto markets to react positively. These court documents detailed the motions in which the Ripple motion was granted or denied. In response, XRP had reached its current year high before succumbing to market forces. As a result of the motions from the second week of February, the SEC has until February 17th to make public documents containing information on how the SEC viewed XRP in 2012. With this, XRP may have proved decisive if the documents show that the SEC does not consider it as security. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.